Hello.
What are you doing?
My wife's annoying me. That's what I'm doing.
I'm always annoying. So my husband's just cutting the shrub. It's getting tall now. So what do you call this gadget?
A hedger.
HEDGER. No.
Remember that off that movie?
Okay.
What was that movie?
Wolf's Creek.
Wolf's Creek. See if I get the laugh right.
Oh dear.
So, yeah. No,
So-
no chopping.
Tell me about this gadget.
Doing
money
an ad
for-
for Makita, thank you.
All right.
So, it's a hedger. People know what a hedger is. It hedges things. So it chops stuff off. But okay, I'll do a small promo. But
Okay.
Not for Makita.
All right.
So with
This is not sponsored.
With this cool little gadget here, you can adjust the, however I do that again, see, you can adjust the, you know, if you're up higher or whatever, you can just chop the top off it like that, and you can make it like just a straight one, like that. And you can actually make this quite a lot longer by putting an extension pole in here, so you can get probably
Higher.
well, I don't know, about 2-3 meters, something like that.
But in this case, it's not that high.
No, it's not that high because I'm so short. Alright, so anyway, I'm going to carry on.
All right.
Alright, so now I'll leave my wife to do her video blog.
See, it's really convenient if you have a hedge trimmer. You don't need a ladder. See how he just bends it? Oh, this one.